Efficient pig farm construction technology from Slats. How to reduce the prime cost of meat. How to save on pig farm construction and to improve performance. The concrete wall panels and wooden trusses technology is the solution. Its key difference from a common pig farm design is a self-bearing structure. 3-layer precast panels distribute the load evenly and cut groundwork's cost and time. Wooden trusses stand on the walls without the need of a framework. The ventilation system is based on maintaining negative pressure inside the building. Fresh air flows evenly from top to bottom through Trolltech perforated ceiling installed at the lower chord level of wooden trusses. Air exhaust and circulation is operated through automatically controlled inlets and exhaust fans connected to the climate control computer. The technology has long been used in North America and Scandinavia, where climatic and temperature conditions are similar to Russian ones, and construction standards meet the latest requirements of the pig production industry. Is there an example in Russia? Yes. Otrada Gen, a pig farm located in the Lipetsk region, 500 kilometers to the south of Moscow. Why the technology isn't widespread in Russia? Mentality is hard to change. As Albert Einstein once said, it's harder to crack a prejudice than an atom. Advantages of Slats construction technology compared with traditional construction methods. Advantages for investors. Key drivers of cost-efficient pig farm construction. Key drivers reducing the prime cost of pig farm construction. Scope of substructure works reduced by 30%. With the load of wall panels and wooden trusses distributed evenly over the total area, the foundation depth may be reduced to 90 centimeters. This considerably decreases the scope of groundworks, costs of underlayment required to correct significant surface irregularities, and costs of concrete heating during the winter works. Penoplex insulation prevents the foundation from deforming due to frost heave. There is no loss of the building usable area. Shallow foundations of concrete wall panels serve as the walls of manure gutters, building a fairly rigid horizontal framework which redistributes ground deformations. Unlike auger pile, cast in situ pile, and other foundations, shallow foundations prevent considerable loss of building usable area. Concrete wall panels support wooden trusses. As a result, there are no bearing frame elements inside the building. Concrete panels used as walls improve structural resistance to external stress without additional expenses required for establishing protective enclosures. Pig farm completion time decreases by 30% compared with traditional construction technology. After substructure works are completed, construction elements may be installed all year round. Higher mounting speed reduces overhead expenses for construction. Less site equipment and less mechanical operations are required. The range of concrete wall panels and large span trusses, up to 30 meters without intermediate supports, ensures easy installation based on a Lego toy principle. The air exchange surface shrinks by 40%. Consequently, 25% less ventilation capacity is required. Lighting, water supply, cooling, and heating systems are installed easily thanks to Trolltech perforated ceiling. Total construction costs are decreased by 15% compared to steel structures and by 10% compared to reinforced concrete structures on the average. Lower operating expenses. Principle of microclimate functioning. The concrete wall panels and wooden trusses technology provides for a closed heating system and forced air supply. The microclimate system includes Trolltech perforated ceiling consisting of 2 layers, wood cement board and mineral wool insulation, produced in Denmark, which lets air inside due to lower indoor pressure. Rib pipes installed in the ceiling to function as heat exchangers. The pipes heat the air coming through the perforated ceiling. Exhaust fans forcing air circulation inside the building. In summer, additional air is drawn in through automated ceiling air inlets and panel windows. Key factors reducing pig farm operating expenses. The building is heated evenly. Cold zones are excluded. Perfect insulation is guaranteed due to absence of unsealed joints and thermal bridges. Lower power consumption due to 40% reduction in heat loss and air exchange surface. There is no need for extra fire or corrosion protection. Concrete is resistant to aggressive environments specific to pig farms. Factory production includes special fire protection and antibacterial treatments, which makes wooden structures fire resistant for up to 90 minutes. The advantage of wood is its ability to remain robust and strong until critical temperature is reached. Fire tests show that a coal ring formed around the wood core on fire isolates the inner part of wooden structures, maintains their bearing capacity, and therefore saves precious time. Wooden buildings last longer on fire and often withstand it. On the contrary, steel and concrete structures collapse very fast, as steel and reinforced concrete have a significant drawback. They lose strength at high temperatures. Source: Forest and Wood Product R&D Institute, Latvia. It should be noted that the fire code requires flame-proof coating to be applied to steel structures every 7 years. It is expensive, and animals need to be moved to another location for the period of works. The problem is solved by the use of wooden trusses, as their average flame-proofing period is 20 years. Housing advantages. Ideal housing conditions. Animals move easily through the corridors free from bearing frame elements. Traditional framework construction restrains the movement of animals and causes manure accumulation in passages. The premises are disinfected efficiently to stay light and clean. In winter, Trolltech perforated ceiling panels slow down the air intake, preventing drafts. Trolltech ceiling is certified for low particle and fiber permeability, and therefore ensures high-quality air and protects the premises from dust. In summer, additional air is drawn in through automated air inlets in the ceiling and windows in wall panels. Compared with an open vented heating system, a closed system ensures gradual heating of the premises, excluding any possibility of cold zones. There is plenty of oxygen in the premises, and air quality remains high. Handling advantages. Unlike ribbed sandwich panels, smooth concrete wall panels with integrated hydrophobic chemicals are easy to clean during sanitary treatments of the premises where animals are kept. Animals can be moved much easier and quicker through the corridors, free from any obstacles. Company profile. Established in 2005, Slats Limited Liability Company is a European-Russian enterprise running its business in the Lipetsk region, 500 kilometers to the south of Moscow. The plant is located in Gryazy, 35 kilometers from Lipetsk. The plant total area is 45,000 square meters, including 10,000 square meters of production facilities and 35,000 square meters of storage sites, with a storage capacity of about 100,000 square meters of finished products. 8 out of 10 top Russian pork producers cooperate with Slats either directly or through their general contractors, including Miratorg, Cherkizovo, Agrobelagori, Rusagro, Kapitania, Komos Group, Don Agricultural Company, Agro Eco, Kursk Agricultural Company, Polkovsky Agro Holding, Verda Zerno Product, Talina, Meat Corporation, Prom Agro, RAP, CP Foods, and many others. Specific features of Slats construction elements. Production stages. We identify customer needs first. For this purpose, we need drawings with indications of length, width, and the number of bearing points, total number of animals according to plan, regional wind and snow indicators according to construction standards and regulations of Russian Federation, addresses and contacts. To manufacture concrete wall panels, we use grade M300 concrete produced on Wigert equipment, Germany, welded reinforcing rebar complying with state standard, heat insulation according to construction standards and regulations, and specialized treatment compounds, which ensure better frost resistance, higher concrete density, and prevention of liquid manure from penetrating into the construction elements during operation. Products are made of reinforced concrete by vibratory casting to maximize their strength. The main stages of concrete wall panels production are carried out at Humarbo Automated Lines, Netherlands. Our products include standard, 2.6 meter high by 1.2 meter wide, and customized panels with door and window openings, as well as corner panels to meet the customer's specific construction requirements. The output capacity of the plant is 250 square meters of panels per day. It means it will take only 4 working days to produce panels for a 4,000 square meter fattening site. Wooden trusses are manufactured parallel to wall panels. Stage 1. Wooden trusses are designed in Mytech, USA, a leading software application for designing wooden construction certified for the Russian market. It has a variety of functions, including automated process monitoring, and complies with Russian standards. Mytech builds a 3D roof model and controls each roof truss position, geometry, and joints. The software makes automatic calculations for every bar and joint. wood truss cross-section, and the size of connectors. Materials. Top-quality softwood lumber from Vologda and Arkhangelsk regions. Treated with special compounds providing fire protection, and moisture resistance. Wood becomes a low combustible material corresponding to Fireproof Efficiency Group 1 according to Fire Protection Regulations number 251-98. Mytek steel connector plates certified for the European and Russian markets ensure structural strength. They have the highest fire safety rating, Study of Steel Connecting Plates Fire Resistance, National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, USA. After softwood lumber is selected, trusses are made on Mytek high-precision production lines, including sawing, assembling, treatment equipment, and transportation and storage systems. Wooden trusses produced by Slats have a span of up to 30 meters without intermediate bearing walls and up to 60 meters with supporting structures. The output capacity amounts to 1,000 linear meters per day. It means it will take only 5 working days to produce wooden trusses for a 4,000 square meter fattening site. The trusses may be assembled directly on the site using Mytek portable truss presses, which is more convenient if the distance between the site and the plant exceeds 150 kilometers. The quality control complies with the technical specifications and is ensured with regular laboratory tests. Key control parameters include geometry of panels and trusses, concrete and wood properties, physical and mechanical properties of panels and trusses. Certification. All products comply with state standard, fire safety regulations, and sanitary requirements, with all relevant certificates and expert opinions available. Our pig farms constructed with Slats technology have all required commissioning permits, including fire safety permits. Economic efficiency of the concrete wall panels and wooden truss technology. Cost-efficient construction. Groundworks reduced by up to 30%. Installed ventilation capacity decreased by 25%. Usable area of the building equal to the gross floor area. Up to 30% reduction in construction time. Total costs decreased on the average by 15% or 10% compared respectively to steel and reinforced concrete structures. Cost-efficient operation. Energy-efficient building. Up to 40% decrease in power consumed by heating and ventilation systems. No need to repeat fire retardant treatment or apply additional corrosion protection. Lifespan of the farm extended to over 30 years. We offer a turnkey solution, including design, production of construction elements, mounting, or site supervision. Our own pig farms built according to this technology prove the high quality of concrete wall panels and wooden trusses. Otrada Gen farms and Slats factory are located in the Lipetsk region. Our pig farms have ideal animal housing conditions. We have reached the following performance indicators: 35 weaned piglets per sow per year, total feed conversion rate of 2.6, daily average gain rate above 1 kilogram in fattening. Eager to achieve similar performance and reduce the construction costs by 15%, power consumption by 40%, and to shorten facility completion deadlines by 30%?